Using the quadratic formula to find complex solutions is actually just a fancy way of saying you're going to use the quadratic formula to find an answer that has imaginary solutions. Before you begin, put all this business on the other side of the equation. So you're going to add 6x, you're going to add 7, and you're going to put it over here. That way you now have the equation 2x squared plus 6x plus 7 equals 0. Now that it equals 0, you can start labeling your A is 2, your B is 6, and your C is 7. When you use the quadratic formula, again, it's just a substitution method. You're going to use negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Well, negative 6 plus or minus 6 squared, which happens to be 36. A is 2, C is 7, and 2 times 2. Well, let's bring our work over here to this side of the paper. This is negative 6 plus or minus 36 minus, this turns into a negative 56 all over 4. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract these, which will give me a negative 20. Now this is the last part of the process. You're going to simplify your equation. To simplify it, you need to reduce down your radical. Radical negative 20 turns into 2i radical 5. If you need assistance with radicals, please come see me. And then the last thing you would do to simplify is this, and this can all be divided by 2. So you get a negative 3 plus or minus a 1i radical 5 all over 2. And again, this is two specific answers because of the plus or minus.